Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So wind up on my body, girl. Me while you come wind your waistline for me. I haven't done that for a while. In my 3 videos that I post, I haven't done that. I forgot about that dance that I do. But welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a testing out first impression review the L.A Girl Pro Matte High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation. You heard it right, a matte foundation. You guys know that I have dry skin. Matte foundation with dry skin or dry skin with matte foundation, no, they don't work together. I don't think it's gonna work, but we're gonna find out. I have tried their foundation that they came out with. I don't really remember the name of it. I have it in my foundation drawer, but I'm just gonna put a picture here. I have tried the foundation and I just love it. So when I saw that they came out with another foundation, I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna test it out. I actually saw this at ULTA when I was walking around. I was like, whoa, they came out with a new foundation and I didn't know about it. I did my search and I found out that this foundation is not new. It's been out 2 years ago. I got it in the shade caramel. Hopefully I grabbed the correct shade. This foundation costs $9. So I already moisturized my face. I'm gonna prime my face. I'm gonna be using this MAC Prep Plus Prime Skin Base. So this is how it looks like. It is a glass container. It's not a plastic container like the first foundation. So it has its pros and its cons. The pro is that it looks more fancier. It looks like a high-end foundation. But the con is that you have to be really careful. You drop this on the floor and it breaks. That is it. You have to buy another one. And as well, it comes with a pump. That's another pro. I love when a foundation comes with a pump because I can control the amount of products that I want. That is a plus for me. I'm gonna apply on the brush because I always apply it on the back of my hands, but I'm just gonna apply it on the brush. Okay, it's definitely a watery consistency, as you guys can see. It's not a thick consistency. Wow. It has some really nice smell. It doesn't smell bad. This foundation is a matte foundation, as you guys can tell. When I applied the foundation the first time, it looks watery, but now that I apply it the second time, it is a thick consistency. And you have to work really quickly with this foundation because it dries out so quick. For the other tone, foundation has a yellow undertone. You definitely see the difference from my neck to my face. My neck looks more warm. In this foundation, it looks yellow. Simpson yellow. So this is just one layer. I'm gonna apply a second layer and see if I can build this foundation up. Hopefully it doesn't crease, it doesn't look khaki. I look like the Simpsons. I can be part of their family basically, because that's how yellow I look. If you guys can see it in person, it's like I cannot go out like this. We're gonna find out as well if this foundation oxidize. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize, because it's gonna make me look more yellow than what it looks like. It actually looks smoother. Like my skin looks so smooth. It's not sitting on my skin. It feels light. It doesn't feel like I have foundation on. If you have oily skin, this will work for you. If you have dry skin, if you don't mind matte, go for it. But the shade, the color, the undertone is like a no for me. Let's finish the rest of the face. I'm gonna finish it in front of you guys and see if it's gonna make like a difference, which I doubted that it will. So I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna be taking this ULTA contour kit, and I'm gonna be using this shade. It's called Goddess Bronzer. I haven't contoured my nose lately. For blush, I'm gonna go with the Tarte Amazonian Clay 24-Hour Blush. And this one, it is in Party. For highlighter, I'm gonna go with this J-Cat You Glow Girl Bake Highlighter in the shade Twilight. And I'm just gonna apply it with this Sigma Taper Highlighter brush. I'm gonna line my lips with the MAC lip liner in Court. Okay, so on top of this lip liner, I'm gonna go with the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream or Liquid Lipstick in the shade Adorable. .4:53 is gonna be 5 a.m. I'm not going nowhere, so I'm not gonna set this makeup. I think I had to throw this liquid lipstick away, because can you guys see how does it look on my lips? Like, look at this. I'm not feeling too much this makeup. So to give you guys my final thoughts about this foundation, I'm really not feeling this foundation at all. The coverage is amazing. Any discoloration that you guys have in your face, it will hide it. It has medium to full coverage. If you apply one layer, it will give you a medium coverage. If you apply a second layer, it will give you a full coverage. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Turn on that notification bell. Leave me in the comment box below any request video that you guys have. Don't forget as well to give this video a like if you like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.